Hello guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to edit site title in WordPress. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or MacBook. Once you are in your internet browser, open WordPress.com and make sure you have already logged into your account so you can easily follow along with this tutorial and in this video. Now, the first step is to scroll down and look for the appearance. You will see a brush icon. Once you see it, all you have to do is click on it and click on Customize in their very own pop-up. Once you click on Customize, wait for the website to finish loading this time. And once you are here, tap on the button that says Use Site Editor. This one is in the upper left. Once you are here, wait for the website to finish loading once again, as you will be redirected to a new web address. Once you are here, you will see some other unlikely options. Now I will guide you through it. In here, let's click on the button that says Edit on the upper left. In here, we see our title. All we have to do is double click on it with our left mouse button. Once in here, you will need to delete it so that you will no longer be available in your WordPress. In here, click on the description box, or click on any description box that you need. Once you are here, all you have to do this time is type in your new font or new title for your WordPress. Go ahead, take your time, I'll be here waiting. In this case, when you click on it, some options from above will appear. Make sure you highlight the word so that whenever you add in the bold option, it will be immediately transferred and inputted to your text. Now click on the three dots on the rightmost side of the options, and then there will be a lot of other options to do here as well. Just follow along with my very own setup. Again, highlight all the words for your new title. And then you have the option to move it down or move it up. And then you have the option as well to align text to the center, to the left, or to the right. In this drop down, however, you have very more options that you can tinker around to maybe showcase better aesthetics for your WordPress. There are many options, so all you can do right now, or best to do, is to update or scroll down and maybe browse a lot of the options available here for WordPress. In here, you can also click on Select a Post Template. Once you are good to go, just click on the button that says Save. It's color blue, so it's not hard to miss. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.